Hey there, and welcome to exercise number 64. In this one, we need to write a function named getAddN that receives a number as a parameter, let's name it n, and returns a new function. This new function, let's name it addN, should take another number as a parameter, add it with the previous one, so with n, and return the result. Below we have an example. So if we're going to call getAddN with 11, we're going to get the addN function, and then I'm going to print the result of calling addN with 23 as a parameter. So this is going to do 11 plus 23, and we're going to get 34. Below we have another example. So if I call getAddN with -5, I'm going to get a function. I'm going to call that function with the number 5 as a parameter, and I'm going to get 0 because -5 plus 5 is 0. If you want to solve this exercise for yourself, which I highly encourage you to do, then click on the link in the description. If not, keep watching and we're going to solve it together. I'm going to go here into the right side, into the code area, and let's start implementing this function step by step, following the description. So getAddN is going to receive a number as a parameter. Let's name it n. So I'm going to put an n here. Now it's going to return a new function called addN. So let's create it and let's return it. Now this second function needs to receive another number. So I'm going to call this one m. And what does it need to do? Well, it will add this number, so m, with the previous one, with n, and return the result. So I'm going to do here return n plus m. And to be honest with you, this is the solution. So let's test it. I'm going to copy the code here from the left side, and we get 34. And now let me copy this one, and we get 16, which is correct, 11 plus 5. And you can see kind of the magic of this function is we get a function. So we created it once with 11. Now this one addN is actually add11. So every time I call it with a parameter, it remembers this 11 and adds it to it, right? So I can say also console log addN of -11, and it should be 0, and that's correct. Now let's test our solution, and voila, it works. Cheers, and see you in the next one.